Hi everyone. Let's continue zOS enterprise computing. Today we will look at select, update, delete in a little bit detail. All right, first, DB2 SQL introduction. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a standard query language. It's used to communicate with a database. According to ANSI, American National Standard Institute, it is a standard language for relational database management system. SQL statements are used to perform tasks such as update on a database or retrieve data from a database. This chart shows a table, or you can call it a database. Each row, we can call it a record or row. And then that's a column. Okay, so this is a table, it is a database. All right, next, let's look at the DB2 keys. First, what is a key? A key is a column or an ordered collection of columns that is identified in the description of a table, an index, or a referential constraints. Keys are crucial to the table structure in relational database. Next, what is a unique key? A key that is constrained to have unique values is a unique key. Next, what is a primary key? A primary key is a special type of unique key and cannot contain null values. That means primary key has to have value. Next, what is a parent key? A parent key is either a primary key or a unique key in the parent table of referential constraints. Next, what is a foreign key? A foreign key refers to or it is related to a specific parent key. Those are DB2 keys. Next, it is an example of two tables. First is DEPT table. It has primary key, DEPT number is primary key, and department name, and IMGR number, and then ADM DEPT. So that is the first table. And then this column is foreign key. Okay. Second table is EMP, employer table. First column is EMP number, employee number. It is used as primary key. And then last name, department. Department is foreign key, and then job. So both table has this primary key, and each table has a foreign key that establishes a relation between two tables. Okay, this first table foreign key is the primary key of the second table. And then for this EMP table, its foreign key is contains the department number in the first table. All right. The values of foreign key on DEPT column of the EMP employee table match the value in DPT number column of DPT table. What does that mean? It means in this table, and this value matches with department number in DPT table. And the value of foreign key on MGR number column of this table matches the value in EMPNO value here. That means this value matches these values. All right. Next, SQL commands. SQL commands are categorized into 3 classes. First is DDL, data definition language, like create, drop, alter. These are usually used by a database administrator. Next is DML, data manipulation language, like select, insert, update. These are used by application developer. And today we will look at the select, insert, update in more detail. Next is DCL, data control language. They are used by database administrator or the user who has authority to grant or revoke, like a grant or revoke commands. Okay. First, let's review this create a table space command or statement. This is an example we used in the last video. Okay, from here, create to this semicolon is one statement. Okay, these 4 lines is one statement. And all right, I will change the mouse to pen. So this is a table space name. This is the database name. This is the DB name. And then this is a table space name. All right. So this table space name is here as 02720, and the database is this one, TNSTTE. Storage group, that's here. This is the storage group. Storage group is TNSTTE. Primary space allocated 20 kilobytes. And the secondary space allocated 20 kilobytes. This erase no means the data set needn't be erased before they are deleted. Okay. The next, log size page. Log size page means logging on tables in the space is to take place at the page level. And then next, log max system. So it means use the system default as the maximum number of page or row logs that a single application process can hold on the table space before those logs are escalated. Next is buffer pool, PP0. Okay, associate a table with a buffer pool, its name is BP0. BP0, here is a mistake. And then data sets can be closed when no one is using the table space. That's here, close is database can be closed when no one is using table. So this is no, that means database cannot. If here is yes, then database can be closed when no one is used in the table space. And then compress equal to yes. All right, there are two mistakes here. Here is BP0 here, because close is no, that means the database cannot be closed when no one is using the table space. Next is create table. Is an example. Again, from here to here, start from create a table, the table name, and then ended with semicolon. Is one statement, one statement. So this part is a table name, and then this is a database, this is a database, and then this is table space, Okay, so this table contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 field. Okay, this table contains 10 field. First field is account number, and then it is character 8 byte. Next is limit, is a number, decimal number, 9 whole digits, and then followed by 2 decimal places. And then balance is also decimal number. Surname 20 characters, first name 15 characters, address 1 25 characters, address 2 20 characters, address 3 15 characters, reserved 7 characters, comments 50 characters. And then primary key, now here primary key is this account number. Account number is primary key. All right, next, create unique indexes. DB2 use unique indexes to ensure that no identical key values are stored in the table. Okay, so in this example, this account number is unique index. So for each record, account number must be different, must be unique. Okay, it cannot have the same account number. So the statement start from here to this semicolon is one statement. Create unique indexes, that's the index name. This is the index name. And then table name, that's the storage group. Okay, then that's database. All right, let's move forward. Then this is insert statement. Okay, from here to here is one statement. And insert the data, insert this data to this table. Okay, that's table. Here, account number, then limit, balance, surname, first name, address 1, address 2, address 3, address are reserved comments. For those empty, here I use a space as insert. Next is a select statement. Select statement is used to query the database. Okay, for example, this select asterisk. Asterisk means match all. So it will select all record from this table. And then next example, select the surname, first name from this table. That means from this database, select the surname and the first name. And then next example, select the surname, first name from this database. Then for balance larger than 5,000, the select statement. And now let's look at the update statement. Update statement, okay. With update statement, we can change the value of one or more columns in each row. That meets search condition of where. Update, that means for each record, we can update column data, okay? Column means field, okay? In this example, for example, that's a table. And then we want to update surname or first name for this account number, okay? This is account number, is primary key, is unique. And then for this condition, this is a condition. And then update this account's first name to Trump, no, surname to Trump, first name to Donald. That's update statement. And then here is another update statement. It will update, okay, update the first name, surname, and the balance, okay, for this account. Okay, for this account, this is condition. Update is surname to Clinton, first name to Bill, balance to 6051.24. All right, that's update statement. All right. This example shows how to use select multiple columns that meet the condition, like or not like, okay? So look at this example. It shows select all from this table. Now the condition means this is a condition. This condition condition surname like single quotation W followed by percentage, then closing single quotation. So in this case, percentage means what? Okay, percentage is used to represent any possible characters. Okay, that means here it can be any characters or a set of characters, okay? It can be one characters, two characters, okay, or three characters. It can be any characters or can be a set of characters, okay? Basically, just consider here is a string that start with W, all right? So to find people with name ending with W, okay, if we want to find the name ending with W, then we use this way. Single quotation, percentage. Percentage is called wild card. Then ended with W, okay? So the last character is W, and then this percentage match with any characters. All right, then to find the W in the middle of word, then we use this way. Percentage, W, then percentage, all right? That means find a string that contains W. this wild card, thus percentage is called wild card. For like a percentage or underscore. Percentage match any characters or any length of characters. Underscore match only any single characters. It match with one character. Okay. Percentage match with one or multiple characters. And this is an example select where in. Okay. So if we wanted to compare against a table field, we can use this in condition. And then look at this example, select the surname, balance, select the first surname and balance from this table. Where account number, now here list multiple account number, okay? This is a set, okay? So it means this one, it will compare surname balance for these two accounts, okay, in this case. And this slide shows select where between, okay? Here is between operator. Between operator get the range of records between two values, okay? For example, here, select the surname from the table, from this table. And then the condition is balance between 3,000 and 8,000, okay? So select surname, the condition is balance is between 3,000 and 8,000. That's a select where, between. Next is delete. Delete a record or delete a row from the table. Okay, so delete from this table. Now here is a condition. This part is a condition. So from this table, it will delete this account number equal to 179711802. This will be deleted. That's a delete record. All right, next is hands-on lab. We will look at the select, update, delete in a little bit details. And then before going to hands-on lab, I'd like to thank these three persons who made hands-on lab possible. All right, connected to TM-Vista 3270. Log into TSO. User ID, password. Now it's connecting. It will take about 15 seconds. Okay, now it's connected. All right, and that's ISPF top menu. Then we can press F8 key to move down or forward. So we will use D2, okay? DB2I perform DB2 interactive function. So D2. And here we will select spoofy item 1. Last video, I demonstrated you DB2I default setting for that something you just do once. You don't need to do it every time. So here, just select item 1. All right. So we just continue from the last video. So this is PDS, and then this is a member. DB2 intro is a member. These members store the SQL statement, and then when we run this SQL statement, it generates output. The output is saved in this file. This is a PS dataset. All right. So let's just hit enter. By the way, you need to use single quotation. Okay. Input, not input, the SQL statement file. It must be inside the quotation, and then output file or data set must be inside quotation. And then hit enter, hit enter. Yes, we get this one. And last video, we already create a table space. We already create a table. So we just, we need to comment them. And I needed to make a, I have to explain last video at the end, we encounter an error. And then I need to show what that error was. Okay. So I will scroll downward here. Last video, I tried to run this command, okay. Update, first select, then update. And then it generates an error. What that error was is here. Because select from here to here is one statement. And then the error is here. I forgot this semicolon. Forgot this semicolon, that means this statement, okay, will continue to the next line. So that's why when I run here, it will generate error. And I will show you, repeat that error again to show you how it happens. But first, let's try to run. Okay, I just need to comment all of this, comment this line, and then comment this line, comment this line, comment this line. Okay, basically I comment all of them. Let's just repeat the error we had last video. Uncommented, uncomment this one, uncomment this one. For example, this means what? This means want to select first name, surname, first name from this table, balance larger than 5,000. All right, to repeat the error we had the last video, I just deleted this one. Of course, it will create an error. And then to show it, let's just here is select all. That means it will select all record from this table. All right, it will only run this statement, and the 3 statement. Let's see how it works. All right, if you like, you can type save. Otherwise, you just press F3. Press F3 exit. Okay, F3 exit. Edit session has completed, and then press enter. So all these are comments. We just skip all these to see the comments. Okay. So this is select all. Then the output is here. That means currently the database has these 1, 2, 3, 4 record. All right, and the execution is successful. And then these are comments. We skip them, and then now run this one. Run this statement. It can there is no comma semicolon, so it will generate error. So it will generate SQL code. Okay, it is -199. That means error. Okay, illegal use of keyword update. That means go backward. So when it start run this select statement, there is no semicolon. Then it continue to here. That is illegal use. All right. So we repeat this error. Okay. Then let's go back. F3. So we try to correct that error first. We just put a semicolon here, should be okay, right? And then we already see this. We can comment out this line, comment out all of these. And then let's first repeat this. For example, if we want to input another, we want to insert another record, okay? And this table already created. So for example, we just run this statement again. Let's see, let's run. Okay, let's run this statement again. And okay, basically this data already exists in the tables, in this table. If we don't change this account number, because it is a unique index, if we don't give a different account number, so it will generate error. And then let's see what error it will generate. Okay. So we repeat this part, right? And if this record already exists in the table, it will generate our error. Let's run it. Go back to F3, then run it. So these are all comments. Then select all from here. Select all from here. Let's see, and this, we try to run this one. Execution was successful. Okay, execution was successful. That means this person, this account is not in the database. And so now we have, yes, this is the one we just added. Okay, it is the statement execution was successful. All right. And now let's go back to try to run it again. And press here, press F3. Okay, we executed once. Now if we try to run this part again, of course, this data already exists. It will generate error, okay? So let's just run it again to see what happens. Okay, so basically this data already exists in database. Then we just need to run it to see what happens. We will run this statement. Okay, insert statement, and F3. Skip the comments. Now we try to run this insert statement, and then error happens. Okay, error SQL code equal to -83 error. Error, if we read error message, what it say, and inserted or update value is invalid because index, look at here, because index in index space constraints column of the table, that means so no two rows can contain duplicate value because this number must be unique. That's why it generates this error. Okay, and let's go back to fix it. Let's go back to fix. For example, if we insert this data, give a different account number. For example, we change it to 5. Okay. Now it is a different account number. And then if we run it, it should be okay. Editing session has completed. Press enter to continue. And we go to see, yes, we try to insert this record, and then statement execution was successful. Okay, it was successful. And then next we run this select all statement. Select all statement. It will select all record here, all record. Okay, of course there are some duplicate name, duplicate like Washington, George Washington, George Washington, George Washington, surname duplicate, but their account number is unique. That is okay. That is okay. Later we can update. Okay, we can update. Now, what's next? We can update. We can update one for this. For example, we can update this 179 718 71802. Okay, so we can update surname, first name to other person. All right. So 1797182. Then let's go to update. Now we will run update. Okay. So let's go back here and we run the update. We already run this one. We just comment out. And comment out, then go to update. Okay, for example, we update. Let's run this one. Update. We wanted to update account number is 179 718 71802. We want to update this person to whom? To Obama. Obama. Okay. First name Barack. Barack. CK Barack. Barack. And then Barack Obama. Okay. Balance B. Balance equal to, for example, maybe 7,000. 24 cents. Okay. All right. So for this account number, we want to update to Obama, Barack balance 7,099 cents. After we update, now we can run this. We can run select all again. Before updating, we can run select all, yes, here. Before updating the table, we run select all. And then after that, we select updating all, and then to see whether it is updated or not. Now let's run it. F3, F3, and then hit enter. All right, we skip those statements. So before run the update command, we have all these, right? We have all these person. And then after we update, where's, okay. This is update. After doing this update, after run this update statement, we get error. We get error. Now we can go back to fix error. Let's see, maybe this account is wrong. Let's check. And let's check here. And 179.7182. 179.7182. Okay, let's check. The error message says the balance is not valid. Oh, balance is not valid. Balance equal to where it is used. Okay, that means this balance is okay. Let's check BR. That spelling is wrong. BA spelling is wrong. We go back to fix it. Let's go back here, and then update. We try to run this one here. This balance is wrong. The spelling is wrong. BA. All right. Now we run this again to see. Let's see. It will select all from this table. Next, we'll do update. Okay. So now press F3. Press F3. Then hit press enter to run it. All right. So this is before or update. The database is like this. And then after we run this updating, after run this update statement, where's the select all? Okay, select all is here. All right. So this account number 1797180 is updated to Barack Obama. Okay, and then that's limit, that's the balance. So it is updated, and then that's how to update record. Now let's go back to work on select. Press F3. Oops, no, we needed to press F1. Hit enter. All right, let's try to run some other commands. And we run this one. Let's try run with the select. Okay, let's try to run this and select all where surname like. That means the surname start with W. Let's run this command to see how it look like. And then we can also try to run this command. This select surname balance from table. Okay, now we run 3 select command. Look at here. That's first we'll select all. Next, it will select select all surname like W, start with W. The next select command starting these two lines is one statement. It will check surname balance for these two accounts. All right, let's check next. And we don't need to update again. We just comment out this line, comment out this line, comment out this line, comment out this line. All right, so here we will run this 1, 2, 3, 3 select commands. Then press F3, then hit enter. Execution result. Okay, that's output of select all. Okay, select all, and then next is select all from the database where surname start with W. Okay, then we get one output here, and George Washington, surname start with W. And now let's check, select the surname balance from this table, and then for these two accounts, and then we get Jefferson Clinton. They have balance here, okay, for these two accounts. One is for Jefferson, another one is for Clinton. Output the surname and the balance. The output is here. All right. That is select. Let's see. Let's check here. All right. Let's run other commands. We already run select. Okay, let's try run this. Select the surname. Select the first. This command. This command select the surname from this table, and then balance between 3,000 to 8,000. Okay, let's run this. So comment out. We need to comment out this line. Comment out this line, and then we also comment out this line. Now we run this command. Okay, that's one command here, select. And what next? We already did this one. Okay, maybe after that we will run a delete command. Okay, delete command. All right, anyway, let's first run it. Press F3, hit enter to run it. And then we skip all these commands. And that's select the surname. Balance is between 3,000 to 8,000. And then the output is here. Washington, Jefferson, Clinton, Obama. Okay, their balance all between 3,000, yes, between 3,000 and 8,000. All right. So next, let's try to run delete. Let's try to delete this account. 1797802. Okay, let's try to delete. Hit enter. let's run delete command, delete. Okay, let's try run this one. Delete from this table, account is 1797802. All right. After deleting, then select all. So now we don't need to run this. We don't need to run this one again. Command out, command out. Before run this command, we have, yes, before run, we select all from the table, and then after that, after deleting this record, then we select all again to see whether this record is deleted or not. All right, F3, hit enter. Okay, before deleting, the output is here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 records in this database. And then here we delete this record and then run select all. Select all, it gets this. All right, it gets this output. Account 1797802 is deleted. All right, that is how delete command works. And then these files, okay, let's confirm. This is output file. That means this file contains the result when you run this SQL statement. Okay, of course we can also go to ISPF menu. So remember this name. This is DB2 output, and then DB2 intro. So we can confirm these two files. Okay, so it is located under comp SQL. So press F1, press F3, press F3. Now we can do select number 2, editing, right? And under this identifier, we can hit, we just hit enter. Then DB2 intro. This is a SQL statement. If you select edit, then you can see these are the comments we run under spoofy. This is SQL statement. And then the output is here. The output is located, go to press F3, press F3. The output we can search from here is number 3 utility, number 3 utility 4, number 4 DS list. Then we can select this asterisk match all. So it will list all the file under this identifier. So hit enter. We have SQL DB2, this one. This is output file. Okay, if we select browse. So to run that SQL statement, it generates all this output. Okay, it is saved in this file. All right, in this video, we look at select, update, and delete commands in a little bit details. All right, that's all for this video.